As a rancher, I see myself as a steward of the land, and I'm here to protect God's creation and, like I say, leave it better than we found it. The environmental part of what we do every day as ranchers is very close to my heart, because I grew up on the northwest shore of Lake Okeechobee, and it was instilled in me and my brothers about environmental habitat and caring for it. And so, it's one of my goals is, like I say, to leave it better than we found it, but to do the practices that we do on the ranch to make it more sustainable, because our job is to care for the land and pass it to the next generation. And if you don't take care of the land, you can't pass it to the next generation and then be successful. Our conservation practices and our ranch management practices go hand in hand on a daily basis, because the things we do to benefit wildlife also benefit cattle and vice versa. Whether it's watering or habitat, it's all sustainable and it all goes hand in hand. So our ranch participates in federal and state conservation programs, with that being different BMP practices where we get funding, cost share funding from FDACs or EQIP from NRCS. And then 80% of the ranch is on some sort of easement. And the first easement is a WRE, or a wetland reserve easement. And that holds all the water on the ranch, but it also allows for no development. So we can't fertilize, we can't add soil amendments, and we can't develop the land, so it's protected into perpetuity. And the second easement is a rural family land easement, which is through the state of Florida. And it means you can ranch it and do agriculture practices like you would on a day-to-day basis, but you can't develop it ever into perpetuity. So it's protected by the state and held in a land trust, and is beneficial to everyone in the state of Florida for green space and wildlife habitat. Our goal is to leave it better than we found it, so we are trying to do all the things that ranchers do as one of the largest landowners in the state, as a group, to protect land and the environment. My goal is to pass this ranch down to the next generation, and what I would want to see it look like is keep it sustainable and better than they found it. Continue to plant grasses and keep up with invasive control and share that way of life with the next generation.